Hello student. Today topics is excitation and ionization potentials. What is excitation energy? Excitation energy. The excitation energy of an atom is defined as the energy required by its electron to jump from the ground state to any of the excited state. You see the diagram. I have shown some orbits where the electrons revolving. When electron jumps from ground state corresponding to n equal to 1, so n equal to 1 is ground state, n equal to 2 is first excited state, n equal to 3 means second excited state, n equal to 4 is third excited state, and this one is infinite excited state. When electron jumps from inner orbit n equal to 1 inner orbit to any of the excited state, say first excited state, it may be first excited state, it may be second excited state, it may be third excited state. How much energy required to jump an electron from inner state, that is ground state, to first excited state or second excited state? How much energy required? That is called excitation energy. First excitation, if you write first excitation energy of hydrogen, so difference of the energy is E2 minus E1. So as we know, energy in the ground state is minus 13.6, and first excited state energy is minus 3.4 electron volt. So here E1 is minus 13.6 electron volt, E2 minus 3.4 electron volt. So here if you take the difference of the energy, minus 3.4 plus 13.6 electron volt, so this result is 10.2 electron volt. So this much energy required when electrons goes from first orbit, that is ground state, to first excited state, that is n equal to 1 second orbit. Similarly, second excitation energy of hydrogen. Now electron has to go from ground state to third orbit, that is second excited state. When electron jumps from ground state to third orbit, then how much energy is required by the electron to go from n equal to 1, that is first orbit, to third orbit n equal to 3 second excited state, and is called second excitation energy. There is a difference of the energy. So E3 minus E1, as we know, and energy in the third orbit is minus 1.51, and E1 ground state energy is minus 13.6 electron volt. So difference, if you take minus 1.51 plus 13.6 electron volt, that is 12.09 electron volt. So again, similarly, if you calculate when electron jumps from inner orbit to third excited state or second excited state or third excited state, fourth excited state, so etc. So you will get just take the difference of ground state energy and that excited state energy. Now ionization energy. What is ionization energy? It is defined as the energy required to knock an electron completely out of the atom, that is energy required to take an electron from its ground state to the outermost orbit n equal to infinity. In this case, so if electron goes from ground state to n equal to infinity state, then how much energy required to go for an electron from ground state to the energy state that is corresponding to n equal to infinity, how much energy is required, that is called ionization energy. Here electron is completely detached from the nucleus. So ionization energy of hydrogen, energy at infinity state corresponding to n equal to infinity, E infinity, and ground state E1. As we know, energy at infinity state n equal to infinity, when n equal to infinity, energy is 0. So 0 minus 13.6 electron volt. So 13.6 electron volts, this much energy is required. So energy required to ionize, so that ionization energy is 13.6 electron volt. Now excitation potential. It is accelerating potential which gives to a bombarding electron sufficient energy to excite the target atom by raising one of its electron from an inner to an outer orbit. So first excitation potential of hydrogen. Here's same way, when electrons goes from inner orbit to first excited state, then how much energy required to excite the target atom by raising one of its electron from an inner orbit to second orbit. So that is called excitation potential. So excitation potential, similarly same we will calculate difference of the, so potential first excited state is minus 3.4 electron volt, here minus 1.51, inner state minus 13.6 volt. So just take the difference, minus 3.4 minus 13.6 volt, that equal to 10.2 volt. If you calculate second excitation potential of hydrogen, then electron goes from inner orbit to second excited state. So that is n equal to 3. So second excited state or in third orbit, energy is minus 1.51 minus 13.6. If you calculate, then you will get 12.09 volt. Ionization potential. Here one thing in excitation potential I want to say, excitation potential of an atom is not one. It can have many values depending on the state to which the atom excited. So different state, the excitation potential is different. Ionization potential. It is ionization potential. It is that accelerating potential which gives to a bombarding electron sufficient energy to ionize the target atom by knocking one of its electron completely out of the atom. So how much potential is required to remove an electron from inner orbit, that is n equal to 1 to outermost orbit, that is n equal to infinity? That is called ionization potential. How much energy is required ionize the target atom by knocking out, means taking out an electron from its inner orbit to infinite orbit, that's outermost orbit, that is corresponding to n equal to infinity. The ionization potential of hydrogen at infinite energy is zero. Potential is zero at infinite state n equal to infinity. If n equal to infinity, potential is zero, and ground state potential is 13.6. So if you calculate it, plus 13.6 volt. So 13.6 volt is required to remove an electron from inner orbit to infinite orbit to ionize the atom. This ionization potential or ionization energy, it is a fixed value, but it depends upon its very different elements. So different elements have different ionization energy or ionization potential. Thank you.